In this video, we're talking about running versus jump rope, and we're gonna compare the two and see which one burns more calories. I'm gonna do that with my polar heart rate monitor. I'm gonna perform 15 minutes of running and then 15 minutes of jump rope, and we're gonna see which one comes out on top. My name is Kyle Easter with Jump15.com, where I teach you how to jump rope, get in shape, so you can enjoy life at your maximum potential. So the way this is gonna work is I'm gonna perform each one of these exercises, running and jump rope, for 15 minutes. I'm gonna perform each one, not at a specific intensity, planned intensity level, trying to match them. I'm just gonna do what I would naturally do if I was going to perform each of these workouts. I'm gonna perform each one of these on different days so I don't have any carryover like calorie burn, so it's as equal as possible. So I'm gonna go get changed, we're gonna head to the gym, and I'm gonna rock out this jump rope portion. All right, yesterday was the jump rope and today I'm doing the run. So I'm gonna go get changed, get ready, and we're gonna go hit this 15-minute run. See what happens. All right, people, we're gonna do the run portion now. I'm gonna run for 15 minutes. I'm going at a normal jog pace. Let's do this. Minutes in, just broke a mile. Going strong, going strong. All right, just finished. I got 2-minute run off. That's what I'm doing for both of them as a cool down, letting the calories still tick for 2 minutes. And then we'll see where we're at. That was brutal. I haven't jogged that far in a long time. I got 1.78 miles. And in 15 minutes, I don't know, I'll take it, but I did legs the other day and my legs and lower back are burning. Woo. All right, we've done it. We've done 15 minutes jump rope, we've done 15 minutes running. Now let's take a look at the results. First off, let's cover the run. I ran for 15 minutes and then had the 2-minute run over, and my average heart rate was 153 beats per minute and my max heart rate was 168 beats per minute, with a total calorie burn of 249 calories. Now for jump rope, I again jump rope for 15 minutes with a 2-minute overrun, and it went slightly over that because I forgot to stop my watch at 17 minutes 42 seconds. My average heart rate was 157 beats per minute with a max heart rate of 168 beats per minute, which was exactly the same as the running max heart rate, with a total calorie burn of 269 calories. So there you have it. Jump rope slightly edged out running, but does that make it the better exercise? Well, I always say that it always comes down to with whatever exercise that you enjoy more is going to be the exercise that you stick with long term, stay consistent, and that's what's going to give you ultimately the best results over time. So if you want to learn how to jump rope, whether it's learn new skills or master the basics, check out these videos I got linked right over here, and I will see you in the next one.